this secret vitamin can lower your blood glucose levels by 31.5 milligrams per DL in just 3 months. Catherine here. Today, we are going to see a vitamin you have probably never heard of. And yet, this nutrient can actually be used to greatly improve insulin sensitivity in people with diabetes. It can easily lower blood sugar levels by 31.5 milligrams per DL. And it also protects the kidneys from metabolic syndrome, high blood pressure, and it helps you lose weight. It also has antioxidant properties that fight the damaging effects of free radicals in the brain, circulatory system, and kidneys. Not to mention that it acts as a natural antidepressant and reduces food cravings. Yes! This vitamin has a ton of health benefits and it's really underrated. You are not gonna find it in multivitamins and most people don't even know that it exists. But I really believe this needs to change. The secret vitamin I'm talking about is vitamin B8. Also known as inositol. The reason why you never heard about it is because it's not considered a vitamin anymore. Yes, there's a vitamin B7, a B9, but there's no vitamin B8. Science is strange sometimes. And the reason why B8 is no more a vitamin is because the kidneys actually produce some of it. However, for many people, only relying on what the body makes is not enough. Supplementing it may be especially beneficial for those with kidney problems. So, what will happen to your body when you start supplementing inositol? Studies show that supplementing this nutrient has an effect similar to that of metformin, a powerful medicine for type 2 diabetes.
Wow!
Metformin is considered a wonder drug because it doesn't just treat diabetes. It is used off-label to lose weight, to increase lifespan, and to fight metabolic syndrome. And inositol has many of the same benefits, but without side effects. Isn't that wonderful? Now guys, there are a lot of inositol supplements available and not all of them can help you. Also, you need to take inositol in the right dosage if you want it to help you. I'll show you exactly how to find the perfect supplement and those in the next part of the video. Don't skip that part. Now, as I was saying, the main benefit of this nutrient is for people with diabetes and for those wanting to lose weight. This is surprising since inositol is actually a sugar alcohol. It doesn't have calories, but it tastes sweet. So, what foods are the best sources of this nutrient? Grain bread is one of the best sources. Stone ground whole grain bread contains up to 300 milligrams of inositol in just one slice of bread. And that's a lot! Just also consider that this type of bread is pretty high in phosphorus and potassium too, before adding it to your diet. A better option may be cantaloupe, a very healthy fruit, even if a bit rich in potassium. Again, moderation is key if you want to try this fruit. Other great sources of inositol include almonds, but also beans, peas, and citrus fruits. Now, even if all these foods are very healthy, they should only be present in moderation in the diet of people with kidney problems. So, if you are really interested in the insulin mimetic properties of inositol, it will be better to also consider a supplement. Now, let's talk about safety before looking at doses. Inositol is water soluble. It doesn't have a high risk of overdose. Even at high doses, side effects are mainly limited to nausea, gas, and diarrhea. It has no known interaction with medications. Still, please consult your doctor before taking this or any other supplements if you have chronic kidney disease or other diagnosed pathologies. So, what inositol supplement should you take to fight diabetes and metabolic syndrome, and in what dose? There are two types of inositol, myo-inositol and D-chiroinositol. Best brands combine them to get more benefits. A good dose seems to be 500 mg of myo-inositol plus 15 mg of D-chiroinositol 2 times a day with meals. This is what they actually used in the study on diabetes to lower blood sugar levels by 31.5 mg per DL in 3 months. Now, this is a very important reduction in blood sugar, so be prepared. As you may already know, having blood sugar levels too low is not a good thing, but there's an easy way to avoid this. When it comes to kidney health, probably the best habit in the world you can start is to write everything down. This is crucial. What you actually want from this remedy is to decrease your need for medications, because that's how you reverse kidney disease. I've explained exactly how to do this in my video up here, and this is all for today. Thank you for watching.